Thank you so much to still be here. We are excited to introduce you our project, The Sandbox. I am Arthur Madrid. My partner is Sébastien Borget.
Hi, everyone.
The idea here is to explain how user-generated content, UGC, has been extremely disruptive in gaming for the last few years. Ourselves, Pixel, that has been acquired by Animoca a few months ago. We have been working on a game called The Sandbox, where basically every players can create assets. So it's not it's like a pure user-generated game where any asset in the game are made by players. We have been doing that on mobile for almost 7 years. We got 40 million install, over 1 million monthly active users. So we've been really excited to build a game completely made by player. So when we saw 2 years ago, we began to explore like how the blockchain could extremely improve this user-generated content concept. So we decided to build 3 products. One product to make players create this content in Voxel called VoxEdit. Another product called the marketplace, web-based, and the game maker. But before that, I really want to convince you, and I really want to demonstrate to you how user-generated content and content platform has changed, has disrupted the gaming industry. So with only these 2 games, and I would include Fortnite now, Minecraft, Roblox, and Fortnite has been able to really create, develop, and produce over 500 million creators. So over the last 10 years, the gaming industry enables a new kind of players, a new kind of way to play with no rules, with no score, just being able to create content, like digital Lego. So what we decided to do for the Sandbox is to focus on Voxel. So for some of you that are not gamers, I'm sure you can really understand how you can put in perspective Lego and the blockchain. So imagine like how when you create something digitally as Lego, you can store it on the blockchain and be sure it's completely yours and give a value to it and make it as an NFT. So you may have found some other project that said, okay, you can do any digital art could be basically an NFT. But what we decided to do is to focus on Voxel, which make NFT much more simple, as Lego did. Like basically anyone can create something fun, a fun art, a cool creation using those cubes and now using Voxel. So this is basically how VoxEdit works and how easy it is to use it. All right, so artists love it. We have been able to launch a $2 million fund 3 months ago. You can go to funds.sandbox.game, where we offer to artists to create their wallets. I think that's the very first step. You know, like when you work on the blockchain, like the main idea of doing blockchain gaming is to create massive adoption. So our strategy to create this massive adoption is not to target developers, not to target players right now, but to target artists. Like basically to say to some artists, specifically Voxel artists, to come to our platform, to download VoxEdit, and to get paid to create content and keep 100% of the copyright. We go step by step with them. We help them to create their wallet. We make them understand why it has more value to do it as an NFT, as a standard, or a standard GIF or JPEG. This is all the creation that has been done so far. You can see, as always, it's always much more creative than what we think. You know, when we build those tools, we're always impressed by the creativity of the community that is always much higher than any internal team. So we have over now 100 artists. Our goal is to reach 1,000 artists. We now have 1,500 assets. Our goal is to reach 10,000 assets. So this is the marketplace that's going to be launched in Q1, completely web-based with scarcity. I will maybe let Seb explain a little bit more now about the NFTs. Thank you.
So in the sandbox ecosystem, we are using 3 main NFTs. Sorry. Which are the land, which is a parcel, the map where you can use your creation to create gaming experience, the asset, which are being made using VoxEdit, our 3D voxel editor, and the avatar, which is the player representation in the virtual world for having social experience with other players. We are using a dual token structure, which involves both ERC-721 and ERC-1155. ERC-721 when the scarcity is 1, and the 1155 when it's above 1. The main reason behind this is gas fees, essentially. We don't want to have friction for creators to mint their token on the blockchain, and for example, if you mint 1,000 tokens, it could cost several $100s in gas fees. So it's something we are able to reduce thanks to ERC-1155. We've been adopting other standards in terms of blockchain features so as to reduce as much as possible the friction to enter and use wallet and blockchain technology for the end users, which involve EIP 712 for user-friendly message in the wallet, meta transactions so that they can pay gas fee using the same token as our platform, Sand, and scrollless transactions so they don't need to actually pay until someone purchases the token they have put for sale. In terms of blockchain gaming, so how do we combine user-generated content and NFTs together? We provide a virtual world where creators and players can come together and enjoy a social experience. The key to that social experience is to have your own avatar that you can customize. An avatar is made out of 14 body parts, and it will be an NFT itself. You can paint the face and customize all the body. You can animate it as well. Here's a short video showing how you can rig your avatar using VoxEdit and then customize it to your liking. The next main component is the map itself. So we'll begin soon in Q1 pre-sale of 160,000 parcel of land. There will be ERC 721 as well. And using both, we will have a lot of all sorts of gaming experience. Let us show you a few of them. Here's an example of a racing game. It uses assets made using VoxEdit from artists of the Creator Fund. Here's a space exploration game as well, totally different universe. And here's a Jurassic Park sort of exploration game where you can find dinosaurs, etc. So we're really excited already what's being made by our creators and some VIP creators who's working with us. And we are really looking forward to have more creators try out either VoxEdit, which is already live, or join for the marketplace using it as a gallery to showcase your NFTs and the game makers that will be coming later in Q4. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
If you have any question, let us know. And that's it.